Welcome to Contactlenses-co-uk. Proper care is a must, and maintenance of the contact lens case plays a major part. A contaminated lens case can lead to eye infections or damage to your contact lenses, so it is imperative you clean it regularly. Here is how you should clean your contact lens case. After removing your contact lenses from the case in the morning, empty out the old solution from the lens compartments. Rinse each compartment of the case with a fresh contact lens solution. Shake out any excess solution, then leave the case to air dry upside down on a clean fresh towel. Even with daily rinsing, we advise you to give your lens case a more thorough cleaning at least once a week. Fill each compartment with contact lens solution and let it sit for a few minutes. Use a clean toothbrush, reserved solely for this purpose, and for nothing else, to scrub the inside of the case very gently. Rinse thoroughly with fresh contact lens solution. Then air dry the case completely before adding new solution. While proper cleaning can significantly reduce the risk of contamination, wear and tear on the lens case itself can create small crevices or gaps where bacteria can hide and grow. In order to keep your eyes as healthy as possible, you should consider replacing your lens case every month. Never use tap water. Always use a fresh contact lens solution for rinsing and storing your lenses. Avoid topping off. Always empty the case of the old solution before adding a new solution. Keep the case closed. Whenever you're not using the case, always close the lid to prevent dust or any other contaminants from going inside. Watch for signs of contamination. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the case can get contaminated. Be on the lookout for discoloration of the case, unusual odors, or any change in the texture inside the compartments. If you notice any one of the above signs, replace your contact lens case immediately. Thank you for watching our video on how to clean your contact lens case. If you have any other concerns or questions, please leave a comment, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. From all of us at Contactlenses.co.uk.